Dear valued attendees, stallholders, and sponsors of Chand Raat Eid Festival, CREF, I understand that you are eagerly waiting to know when the Chand Raat Eid Festival will be held this year. Many stallholders and sponsors have submitted old online booking form from our Chand Raat website. I would like to assure you honestly that we are also desperately trying to organize CREF this year. Prior to the coronavirus pandemic, we consistently held the event for the last 23 years without any break. However, as the CREF is now falling during the month of April, the appropriate large venues are fully booked out for the Easter show and other Australian concerts and carnivals and shows. Therefore, it's very hard to find a big location appropriate for the Chand Raat Festival. We have tried hard this year to find the venues which meet the requirements for our indoor activities and outdoor requirements and adequate parking. But unfortunately, we were unable to succeed. We don't want to hold the event at any venue, and downgrade the status and legacy of the Chand Raat just for the sake of holding the event. We don't want to compromise for lacking of resources. For us, your enjoyment and your satisfaction with the arrangements are our top priority. Therefore, we regret to inform you that we will not be holding the event this year. Inshallah, we are trying. We will continue to work to find the appropriate venue for the next year. We appreciate your interest and patience, and we look forward to your support. We understand that you will be disappointed, the lovers of Chand Raat who regularly attend the Chand Raat. It's a mega event, and it took us over 20 years to make this event, and we don't want to lose it. But at the same time, we don't want to compromise with the venue availables. Unfortunately, in Sydney, as you know, with the vicinity of our attendees, like in the western regions, we don't have any large indoor venue, but we are watching. We are keeping eyes on the venues, and we will be doing this continuously from now onward, and try our best as early as we announce the next year event. But I hope you will have patience with us and support us. We will be doing Chand Raat Festival and our another large halal festival, but we have to do it properly in a professional way, as we have been doing Chand Raat Festival for the last 23 years. So for this year we are not holding, but inshallah next year we will. And I apologize for all of you who will be disappointed by listening this announcement, but it happens. Don't worry, we are not excited. We are not going to go in any competition, because we don't have any competition to any other Chand Raat type event. Many people are doing the small level Chand Raat shopping bazaar or things like that. But we don't want to jump into that competition and make our Chand Raat festival limiting in a small venue. When we will be doing the event, we will be doing with its dignity, its legacy, and its large standard, as it is a multicultural event. So, inshallah, until then, I will be updating you during the year. But this year, at least we organizer will get chance to celebrate Eid, as you know, we are busy in whole month of Ramadan and even on the day of the Ramadan. So thank you again, and thanks for your patience. Hope to hear you very soon.